special mithais and savories. So now for making NAUBAT PARE, 100 grams of flour, little bit of soda bicarb, pinch of salt, desi ghee, little bit of water. Make it soft dough. For making NAUBAT PARE, you have to roll the dough. Not very thick, not very thin. Okay, this thickness is fine. You can use a roller cutter or you can use a knife. And then cut them in diamonds. Let it air dry a little here before you deep fry. Now on moderate heat, fry the paras. Now those are fried golden brown, become crisp. Cool this in a pan. For making NAUBAT PARE, we have to make a syrup with jaggery, little bit of desi ghee, grated jaggery. A dark jaggery is much better than the regular one if you don't have. So general proportion of jaggery. For every 1 kg of flour, you can take double the quantity of jaggery. So somebody wants it very, very sweet, the proportion of the jaggery also can be increased. So cook it till this is a thick consistency. Little bit of lemon juice. So the jaggery syrup become thick. It is ready. Now for NAUBAT PARE, the jaggery syrup is already there. It is thick. I have used jaggery. You can also use honey. You can use sugar. Nicely toss this in a thick jaggery syrup. Allow it to cool down. Sprinkle some roasted till, sesame seeds. Garnish the NAUBAT PARE with roasted till, NAUBAT PARE with jaggery syrup is ready to be served.